Welcome to Roxbury Community College. In this video, we'll walk through how to register for classes in MyRCC. After you log in, select My Academics from the top navigation. This page lets you view your course schedule, review your course history, and manage registration. Under Student Registration, select Register. Your academic plan will open and display the requirements and courses you still need to complete. Select an outstanding requirement, then choose Find a Section to see the available options. Use the three-dot menu and select View Details to review the course description, meeting information, and prerequisites. Add to My Calendar. When you find a section that works for you, select Add to My Calendar. Return to your academic plan and repeat the process for another requirement, such as a humanities elective. Browse the available options and choose a course that satisfies the selected requirement. Open the section list, confirm the day, time, and format, then add the section to your calendar. After adding the course, return to your schedule. If a warning appears, select View Possible Issues. MyRCC checks prerequisites automatically. If a warning appears, review the possible issue, remove the course from your calendar, and return to your academic plan to choose another option. Once the incompatible course is removed, return to your academic plan. Choose another outstanding requirement and review the available courses. Continue through your academic plan and add sections that meet your needs. Remember, adding a course to your calendar plans your schedule, but it does not officially register you. Select a course that interests you, open its available sections, and review the details. Make sure the meeting times and course format work with your schedule. When the section fits your needs, select Add to My Calendar. Review your selected courses and make sure the schedule works for you before moving to checkout. This final step is required. Select Registration Checkout in the upper right corner. Check the boxes beside your chosen courses and then select Register to complete your enrollment. After registration is confirmed, close the checkout window and select My Schedule to review your finalized classes. You are now officially registered at RCC.
Thank you for choosing Roxbury Community College. Your future is our focus.